Let me share the screen first. So let me start with the interpretation of a human behavior. Okay. So what is the first thing we start our day? What is the first electronic gadget we use? And what is the second? And what is the particular thing we end with? So first is mobile. Obviously, many people have a habit of starting with mobile. And the second is lights. And we end our day with lights as well. So we as a human behavior on a mass scale moving towards a behavior where everything would be controlled by voice based or mobile based. So with penetration of home devices like Google Assistant, Alexa, iPod Mini from Apple, so each and every small stuff would be controlled by voice. And the benefit of this particular technology is it's not bounded to a particular age. Anyone from age 5 to old age, from 60 65, they can operate this with just a voice enabled thing. And what would be the first thing they would adapt? That would be lights, obviously. My name is Akshay Jain. I'm 22 and I've been into stock markets for past 5 years. After which we have developed some algorithm and now we are into the whole IoT sector. So we are operating out of Bangalore and we have a manufacturing unit in Ahmedabad and we have some partners in China as well who manufacture for us. So how did we got into this particular IoT by lighting as to be specific? Because automation is loved by everyone. Everyone loves automation. That might be through lights, that might be through switches and stuff. But home automation is a really costly business to be in because not everyone can afford it, right? And then we came to a point: what if products are smart rather than being switches? So our mission is at first stage is making an ecosystem of smart products, and that would be starting with lights. We are making an ecosystem of lights which would be controlled through Alexa, mobile devices, and stuff. So IoT is a $15 billion market right now and 5 billion in 2019. So we have aggressively gone into IoT markets and in the LED market as well. That is around 3.58 billion in 2020. We are growing at a CAGR of 30% year on year. So the value proposition we are getting into, that is the best in class user experience. The problem with the IoT and smart devices is it's a two-edged sword. If we are giving the best quality of product, but on the other hand, and UI UX is not good, they are not up to the mark. So we are focusing on the best user experience